Hey everyone, in this video I will talk about ternary operators. Ternary operator can be replaced if else statements. It's just a type. It's a part of the if else statements. Like it's work as a if else statements, and just to reduce this codes and the lengthy codes to the in ternary operators. So let's understand it. This here the expression of the ternary operator syntax. First expression will be, and a second the if true part will be here and else part will be here. So as you write the if else statements, you provide the condition here. If the value equal 1, then it will return this. If it is not, then it will return this, so on. If you want to print the same value like in the ternary operators, then you can also perform here. So if you're providing here the value, if c, as supposing I am created here c as a variable and assigned to it value 1 is less than value 2, absolutely, then this value 1 will get executed. So ternary is a boolean operators, so it will return in true and false. So first one is true, this will get executed. It means that it reduces this if else. It's a type of if else statements. The first execution execute when it's true, and rather it will return false condition executes. Okay, I hope you will get understood. It's a very easy to understand. It means that it is work as a if else statements and just a type of if else statement. If you understand the if else statement, then job is done. The first, for if you have to write just first expression and a second expression and compare whatever your logic condition applying here. If your condition is true, then it will return the first expression, either it will return second one. Okay, I hope you will get it.